So I had to head down to the big box store and get me the Makita rock breaker. We're gonna see how good it works.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
And I'm cold. Should have been ready.
So I've knocked off some pretty big pieces here. I'm making a dent. At least I can get it out of here now, thanks to the Makita power hammer. Okay. Okay, well, got that rock pretty well broke up. I'll be able to remove the rest of it by hand. But it's getting dark. I'm gonna call it a day. Thanks to the trusty Makita rock breaker.